in perspective prepared by คุณจำนง พกวรวุฒิ on World Soil Day Celebration 2016. Thai people and other members of the United Nations have joined the 2016 World Soil Day celebration on the occasion of the birthday of His Majesty the late King Bhumibol Adulyadej, December 5th. The World Soil Day event at the United Nations headquarters in New York aims to raise awareness of the importance of soil and promote sustainable soil management, as well as to support the implementation of the 2016 International Year of Houses. Her Royal Highness Princess Mahatri Sirinthorn has registered a video message on the occasion of the World Soil Day Celebration 2016, which provides an opportunity to pay tribute to His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej and his royal duties in the field of development, especially on the conservation of soil. Following the 17th World Congress of Soil Science in Bangkok 2002, executives and members of the International Union of Soil Sciences recognized the importance of the work of His Majesty, the late King, in the field of soil resources development, in particular agriculture development. Then the International Union of Soil Sciences made a resolution in 2002 to propose December 5th, the birthday of His Majesty King Bhumibol, as World Soil Day to honor His Majesty for his promotion of soil sciences and soil resource conservation. Later in 2012, the chairman of the International Union of Soil Sciences, in his audience with His Majesty the King, presented the Humanitarian Soil Scientist Award to His Majesty, honoring him as the first recipient of the award in the world for his dedication to soil resource management. The United Nations General